Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a lemonade stand. Choose your location wisely and set a simple setup with table, sign, and cash handling. Gather lemons, sugar, ice, cups, and a pitcher. Test a signature recipe before opening. Train helpers to greet customers warmly, keep supplies stocked, and note popular flavors. Keep pricing clear and fair so customers feel good about their purchase. Mix a basic lemonade using 6 cups water, 2 cups sugar, and 3 cups fresh lemon juice, then taste and adjust sweetness. Test a small batch for flavor, serve samples to neighbors, and record ingredient costs so you can set a profitable price. Consider offering a large and small cup with clear signage. Keep napkins and straws handy and offer ice refill for purchases while keeping a smile every shift. Quick recommendation: if you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support simple small business guides. Quick recommendation: keep your car smelling as fresh as your stand with Little Tree's black ice for a crisp scent when you run errands to buy supplies. Check the description for the link and other deals. It makes supply runs a little more pleasant, and thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Create a bright, readable sign and post on local social media with hours and menu to attract families and neighbors. Check local rules for permits or food handling requirements and label ingredients for allergies. Then set simple bookkeeping with a notebook or phone app to track daily sales and expenses. Offer a loyalty punch card or combine lemonade with cookies to increase average order value and encourage repeat customers and feedback.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.